how to program an RVI trading expert advisor on MQL4. So first thing, guys, is we're going to be using pound yen like normal in the hourly, and we're going to be looking for this pattern when it comes to the RVI. When it goes from the signal over the main, which is red over green, and then switches from green or the mode or the main over the red, and we're going to do that for 3 candles. Okay, we're going to have that combo: switch over, switch back, and then positive trend. And it has to be below 0. Once we do that, we'll enter in our trade just about right here. And we're going to do that every single time when it's below 0, okay? So now we're going to go to MetaQuotes. What you need to do, guys, is go to New, go to Expert Advisor, hit Next. Type in the name of the trading robot you would like to name it as. I named mine RVI Trading EA. Once you do that, just hit Next, 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 Next all the way through, and then scroll down to the bottom to the on tick. Now let me explain this through for you guys, okay? So remember, we're using a double. Double, basically everything that's not a non-whole number, not including whole numbers, but everything just including that. We're going to call this RVI mode main, as we're in the current candle. Now, if you want to learn how to use the RVI, just double-click it, and it'll show you how to break down right here and give you an example. Now, with this, we're going to use it on null to work on all different currency pairs. For the main chart, 10 is going to be our period, and mode main. We're going to do this the exact same thing. We're going to do it 3 times. We're going to do _1, _2, and then change this to 1 and 2. And our next example is going to be RVI mode signal. We'll do the exact same thing over here. We'll do _1, _2, and 1 and 2. Once we get the RVI and these the mode and main programmed, we're going to use our buy scenario that we use in every single video, okay? For this buy scenario, we're going to check if the RVI main is greater than the signal on the current candle. And then it's going to check back 1 candle back. That's the RVI mode main 1 is greater than the RVI mode main 1. And then we're going to go back 2 candles to see if the RVI mode main 2 is less than, because you're going to show a red indication, it's less than mode main 2. And then we're going to double check to make sure that the RVI mode main, the current candle, is below 0 and including the mode made signal, okay? As long as we have those things, we're going to go down to our buy requirements. If the orders total equals 0, and as long as it's true, there's no open orders, we're going to enter our buy scenario equals true. Once we have that, guys, we're going to put in our same buy order we do every video, okay? Int buy, we're going to use order send, running off the nulls, all currency pairs that's available to the broker, and then type in OP buy with a lot size of 0.01. Let's see. Off the ask, and then do a slippage of 10, do a stop loss of 50 pips, a take profit of 150 pips. The comment section will be null, our magic number will be 1, and our pending order will be 0, so we're not using it. So, and then the color will be black. The same information we use on other previous videos to help, consistency, make your code easy to be read, that any newbie can see what's happening, okay? And that will make your understanding better of it. Now let's go back to MetaTrader. Now let's head back and go to the RVI chest for trading robot. Okay, we're going to use pound yen. And you get your dates ready, and we're going to go into the hourly. Now let's hit start. Okay. And now you'll see that it's trading the RVI trading strategy right now. Let's add the RVI to our screen real quick. Let me see where we're at. Hit that. Let's change the color a little bit. So now when we're entering our trades, we can see that the RVI, once it's making that pattern, like we're getting into some really good reversals. And given with some better indicators or adding more indicators to this, we can save from taking a lot of losses. And we look at our graph; it's not doing too bad. Let's let this run for a little bit, just with the RVI. You can combine it with the stochastics. You can combine it with RSI, a root up and down, CMF. There's a lot of combinations you can do this with. but just to give you guys an example of how to use this easy, simple indicator, okay? So if you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below. If you want to get in contact me or other people who are interested in trading, join the Discord or Telegram. And if you have a question about what videos I should make, just also contact me in the Discord. Okay? If you have any other questions or comments, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.